Yeah.
Maybe Risky's for dinner.
Yeah, maybe we'll go to the casino in the morning if it's only an hour ride.
Oh.
I guess
No
see.
time to waste.
Yeah. That
Oh,
would be fun.
it's shut on.
Windstar. It's closer.
Oh, yeah, in Oklahoma, right?
Yeah, well, the border.
Border, yes.
There.
Yeah.
And then Saturday, what time is the game on Saturday?
3, I think it is.
3?
Yeah.
But that all depends on the weather, so.
There's plenty of seats, so I won't buy the ticket right away. Well, I don't know.
Oh.
Last thing I saw, they 30% showers or something like that. So.
But isn't the new stadium covering? The new Ranger Stadium's covered, isn't it? I think so. I'm not 100% on that,
Oh.
Like a retractable ceiling.
but. Or it has a retractable.
Oh, that's cool.
I'm trying to think who I know that.
I'll look it up. I can look it up and see. Yeah.
What are you taking
Yeah, I
pictures
checked last night and I was like, oh my god.
What do you take
18
pictures
minutes
of, Chris?
From the.
So I think a video of that train.
Why not go see the game?
So that would be fun.
Yeah. Make some of our friends jealous.
Oh, wow.
Because like, we might be able to catch a Kansas City Royal game when we're in Missouri. We might be able to catch a St. Louis game as well. We probably could catch an Anaheim in,
Yeah.
one of their games.
Right.
Yeah. Everyone's a teenager.
Very rare to find. Let's go.
A game there.
We went with Joe and Joni to Angel Stadium when they were playing the Yankees. So we all had our Yankee stuff on. They had their Angel stuff. And we're watching together, and did she tell the person they're not with us?
Oh.
She got still really
We're not with that. We're not with them.
It's funny, all the years that we lived there, I never once went to Anaheim Stadium for an Angel game. But I went to all the Supercross races there and truck shows, and car shows, everything but a baseball game.
Well, thank you so much for the hospitality.
Yes, thank
really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank
Great
you.
seeing you guys.
It's great seeing you guys too.
Yeah.
Christopher?
If you end up
Yep.
having
Well.
free time, be somewhere or,
Sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm really happy to do that. I hope you guys enjoy, your days here and
Mark?
find enough to
Pleasure
do.
nice to meet you.
and that the
Be safe.
state is
Oh, yeah.
hospitable to you.
Yeah, everybody's been fine so far. As soon as you come south, everybody's just so friendly. They really are.
When you
Well,
come
that's
this
good to
way,
hear.
they are,
That's good
definitely.
to hear.
Like Bill
Good
Clinton
to see you.
and his thing,
You need to,
stay out of trouble.
yeah, I lead a pretty boring life. Not much going on with me,
I
so.
agree.
No.
Okay, well, thank you so
Well,
much.
thank you.
For dinner again.
Yeah, thank you for
And
doing
like
it.
I said,
Oh, you're very
final
welcome.
goal